Elon Musk's $690 Tesla phone Model Pi will be released on this day. I'm not a big fan of premium gadgets, but the Tesla Model Pi phone literally caught my attention. I mean, Tesla Model Pi is a super cool gadget with incredible features that promise to solve a range of issues in the smartphone industry. Talk of battery range, speed charging, gaming capabilities, adaptability to remote areas, and security. These are just some of the key features that we all look for in a high-end smartphone. And it seems Elon Musk's Tesla Model Pi phone is the ultimate solution. This phone is going to be a game changer soon after it enters the market. But how soon are we likely to see the Tesla Model Pi phone on the market? Stay tuned till the end for the Tesla Model Pi phone's official release date, and we also have amazing information about Tesla Model Pi features. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so as not to miss out on any of our new videos going forward. Now, let's get straight into the video. I don't know what Apple is going to do with their iPhone to catch up with Elon Musk's Tesla Model Pi phone, because this phone, if allowed to enter the market, which is going to happen soon, will surely crash the entire craze for iPhones. It's unbelievable that Tesla Model Pi is not even launched, let alone released to the market, but everyone is talking about it. Already, a lot of rumors are in the air that Tesla, an electric automaker company by Elon Musk, is going to launch a smartphone soon. This has raised a lot of questions and speculations. Go to Google Trends and you'd be surprised people are asking so many questions about this phone that's about to be launched. Some of Google entries about this phone which are now on fire include the Tesla phone Model Pi official release date and price, Tesla phone Model Pi operating system, Tesla Model Pi Neuralink, Tesla phone Model Pi insane features, Elon Musk's Tesla phone Model Pi, and many more. And all these questions are going to be answered right here. How it all started. Elon Musk has been a fan of Apple's iPhone for a long time, but he started expressing displeasure with iPhone in 2020 due to the software updates in iPhone which broke his email system. And as a man who never wastes a chance, Elon Musk realized this could be a great business opportunity. Because if he is dissatisfied with some aspects of the iPhone, chances are that a considerable number of iPhone owners also may not be satisfied as well. Now, this gap is the genesis of the Tesla Model Pi phone. This is a 5G next-generation smartphone that is likely to break the iPhone, Samsung, Nokia, and other premium smartphones in the market. If you think this can't happen, stop and ask yourself the kind of person behind this concept phone. We're talking about Elon Musk, a man who always comes up with extraordinary and unique stuff. If his Tesla company is worth as much as the combined market cap of the 9 largest automakers around the world, what would stop him from bringing down giant smartphone companies like Apple and Samsung? So, like it or hate it, the reality remains that the Tesla Model Pi phone is not your ordinary smartphone. The Tesla Model Pi has top-range features that we can only dream about. Let's talk about some of the mind-blowing Tesla Model Pi features. We all would love a smartphone that is stronger, smarter, and of course faster with many features. And that's exactly what Tesla Model Pi delivers. Tesla Model Pi phone comes with a Neuralink feature which will allow you to operate your smartphone without touching it, as it's fully controlled by your brain. It captures signals from your brain to control the smartphone. Tesla Model Pi will also work much better in remote areas with no connectivity, since it uses SpaceX Starlink connectivity to offer a super fast connection. That means it can work anywhere in the world, including in space. Additionally, the phone comes with a solar panel that can help you to recharge a 7,000 mAh battery, which can last about 5 days. When connected to power, this phone can recharge to 100% in under 30 minutes. For lovers of cryptocurrency, you can turn this phone into a cash cow and use it to mine cryptocurrency or use it as your crypto wallet. At the same time, if gaming is your passion, then Tesla Model Pi is the best gadget you can have, since it comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of ROM. One more impressive feature of the 7.1-inch display gadget is the cutting-edge design that allows it to change color and even conceal itself. Indeed, there is so much more about this phone than meets the eyes. But when exactly is the Tesla Model Pi release date? Well, As much as there has been a lot of speculation about the release of the Tesla Model Pi phone, the truth is that Tesla plans to launch this phone in October and then officially release it to the market December 1st, 2022. However, the release date may be delayed due to feature upgrades among other company issues. So there you have it, guys. Do you think the Tesla Model Pi can take over the iPhone? Let's know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.